Hey, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with part of the first journey behind the scenes of me moving out and staying in my car. I'm kind of showing me pictures and everything. Yeah, I just put my SIM card in, which is on my information, my toothpaste, my face wash, body soap, all of that. Yeah. My other bag right here that I'm going through. I gotta get put in here. My blue snatch hairstyle, my laptop, snatch, phone, wallet, keys. I gotta go through all of that. But yeah, I'm just on a good journey. Turn around. So, good thing I already had some stuff, so it wouldn't be that much hard. Some of the stuff I need deodorant. Brush is good. Yeah, all my stuff. Comb is super important. It's a soft brush. Nah, let me put that back. I'll get the hard brush. What else do I need? I ain't gonna lie, some of these cars sucks, so I might as well just leave that here. Ass, nobody use ass. That's trash. Trash. Most of this is trash. Shampoo, we need that. Face cleaner. Probably need that. Down more body soap. That's super important. Lotion. Need that. This is my potion. Just in case you get sick. Wash one. Always important. Sore throat. Important. Do not. Don't really need any. What? I'll put that over here. Super important. Tummy. If you cut something off in the stomach. Yep. Alright, so all of this stuff I need. Sore throat, new spine, that. And put my do-rag back on. Right. See, with me, I look kind of suck at packing. So that kind of might be a problem. Oh, this is the wrong bag. I'm not looking at it. I need to be in this one. Phone charger. Got my camera charger. important. Large. More stuff from my towing. Always important to have extra chargers. Now the whole point of me leaving, I'm not gonna lie, I just can't handle being around bad environment anymore. If you know you're surrounded by bad environment, don't force yourself to stay in that environment. So that's my reason I'm leaving. I know y'all probably looking in the background, see you're like, oh, he got it good and everything. No, the grass ain't always green on the other side. So just to let y'all know. There you go. Got the toothbrush. I'm gonna need it. These. So all my clean stuff, I'm gonna put in that bag, and then all my personal stuff, I'm gonna put in this bag. Like all this shampoo and stuff, I'm putting in this other bag. Put in this bag. Now y'all probably like, what is this boy doing? I'm probably making a dumb decision. It might be. Oh my god. Come on, bro. My clothes. That could be a problem. I might stay one more night, and then in the morning, I'm gonna have everything packed up and ready to go. Just I still got a lot to pack. I mean, a lot. Food. And all this stuff I gotta pack. All these clothes, most of these clothes I gotta pack. It's not even my right fault.